currently studying Park and Amenity Management.
Park and Amenity Management?
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 What course is that? I have never heard about that course before. Let me show you.
Well, if architect design a park, what do you think will manage and maintain the appearance of the park? Apparently, it is not the job of the landscape architect to manage the park. Park management does not only comprise of the management of the landscape, but also include a comprehensive task of managing, evaluating park based on functional, recreational, and aesthetic needs. This course is crucial to produce a professional park manager like to serve the public, private, and the park and recreational industry, both in the built and natural environment.
Most people are still not aware of the existence of this course. In fact, this course has been around for 2 decades. This Center of Studies was founded in April 2001 by Professor Madya, LAR Dr. Kamarul Tarin Shuib, who was the lecturer at the Center of Landscape Studies. Do you know, Department of Park and Amenity Management is the first such center of studies to be established in Malaysia? It is only later that University Putra Malaysia and University Malaysia Sabah offer the similar courses. Throughout the 21 years of establishment, PAMS were led by 8 lecturers that are experienced and expert in their respective field.
Most of you will think that we only learn on how to manage and maintain a park, right? But in this course, we learn a comprehensive list of subjects including recreation and leisure management, tourism management, park and planning design, club and theme park management, park administration and financial management, interpretation, park and conservation laws, landscape and facilities management, heritage management, golf course maintenance, marine park management, and many more.
Of course, there will be accreditation provided. For information, PAMS is a credible course that is endorsed and well recognized by both national and international associations. First and foremost, PAMS is accredited by the Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia and also listed under the Malaysian Qualification Register, or so-called as MQA. On top of that, PAMS is also supported and recognized by Institute of Leisure and Amenity Management UK, Institute of Landscape Architects Malaysia, World Urban Parks, and also last but not least, Malaysian Park and Amenity Management Society, also called as MyParks. So now, you might be wondering how is the life as a PAMS student might look like? Let me show you. There will be indoor and outdoor classes, internship at amazing places, art and design tasks, and lots of site visits. Well, let me show you what are the significance that you might get as a PAMS student. As a PAMS student, you might get the chance to learn how to manage variety kind of parks. You will also learn many things that contributes to loving the beauty of nature. You will get to gain knowledge about variety kind of recreations and get to see the values behind it. And you might also get the chance to meet cool and easygoing lecturers. And last but not least, you will get the chance to wear our cool jacket and also corporate attire.
Surprisingly, park manager is not the only job opportunity available for students. This course provides its students with a wide range of career opportunity, including golf course superintendent, landscape supervisor, theme park manager, and many other opportunities in city halls, municipal councils, park and landscape agencies, park boards, housing developers, travels and tour agencies, or even in resorts.
Now I know what is Park and Amenity Management is all about. Thank you for your explanation, Nurin.
No problem. Good luck on your study. You too. See you later. Bye.
If yes, here is the minimum requirement. You should at least achieve Band 2 for Muet and pass with at least 3 CGPA if not from YTM diploma program. However, if you are diploma program graduate of YTM, you can join this course with 2 CGPA. For STM equivalents, you should at least 2 CGPA to be qualified for this course.